Hi guys, this is Deepak from 91 Mobiles and I'm very excited to tell you that Xiaomi is finally bringing its Mi TV range to India. Right behind me is the new 55-inch model from the range, and this is part of the Mi TV 4 series and it's finally here. I'm going to quickly run you through the features, specifications and what all it brings to the table. So let's get started. The Mi LED Smart TV 4 looks really sexy because it's just 4.9 millimeters thin. That's actually thinner than most smartphones out there. So it blends easily into your living room or your bedroom. Now this is an Android based TV and Xiaomi has reworked its interface completely, and the OS it runs is called PATCHWALL. It's actually designed for India, supports Indian languages, and the content and the screens that you see here are part of the default interface. The remote it comes with is really simple. Has just very basic keys like volume, home, back, menu and a 5-way controller with a center key, of course along with a power button. It's a Bluetooth based remote. The panel here is a 55-inch 4K HDR panel, and the TV also supports Dolby and DTS Cinema audio. As far as the core specs are concerned, the TV is powered by an Amlogic 64-bit quad-core processor and a Mali T830 graphics chip. You get 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of local storage along with dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, basically the works. The ports include 3 HDMI, AV as well as 2 USB. Located at the back. Xiaomi is also tied up with various content partners like Sony Live, Hungama, Voot and whatnot, and the content that you see right up front is all sourced from the various content partners. The interface is really fluid, it's very smooth to use and really easy, all in a card based layout. Interestingly, Xiaomi's also added some local aspects. So what you get along with the TV is an infrared cable that you can use to control your set-top box. There's an on-air card layout that gives you a quick look at the live TV content, and this comes in partnership with Sensi. As you can see, it also gives you a progress indicator of those live TV shows. So essentially, a single remote can control both your TV as well as set-top box, and various settings are provided to let you set up your set-top box. Various cable providers and DTH providers are supported. Since this is an Android based TV, you can even sideload some Android apps via USB. The TV manager gives you at a glance look at the Android aspect of the TV, the platform, and allows you to install apps, deep clean, clean the trash and give it a memory boost when required. The TV also supports wireless screen mirroring. The Silk browser you see here is an app that we've sideloaded. You also get a multimedia player to play media off a USB stick. Another interesting aspect is the universal search that not only lets you search content from the content providers but also live TV from your set-top box. So that, guys, was a very quick look at Xiaomi's new Mi TV 4, now available in India.